Hey guys, how's it going? Episode 32. We're at 67 degrees. A beautiful day. Clear, a couple little puffball clouds out there. And we are going to get some stuff done in the hangar. We're engine work. We got some, hopefully get the magneto quills off. Hear that rattling in the back? This is the bulkhead, rear bulkhead for the fuselage cabin. Hopefully get that allodyne, get some other skins allodyne. Rear autopilot servo, carburetor, start building up the carburetor induction system. Just a whole crap ton of stuff. So we shall see you in the hangar. Okay guys, we'll see what Darren's up to on the engine number 2. What are you doing, Chief?
Hello guys.
Okay.
We're on cylinder number 3 and we're bore scoping the engine. The idea is to look down the hole down the snoot through the spark plug hole to see if we can find anything that is amiss. So far we found nothing, but I'm looking for.
I'm gonna drive right.
There we go. You can see that. We're looking right now at the top of the piston, and we're looking for any type of debris, scoring of the cylinders, corrosion. Anything that we believe is going to cause an issue once we get this engine back together and test it for the first time.
And those are the piston, those are cutouts for the valves,
correct,
exhaust, whatnot. And this app will work unlimited in premium version. Really?
Absolutely, yeah.
Always about a subscription.
If only I would pay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And then you can you do the reverse?
I can. So this is looking like the cylinder walls right there. You can see the crazing on there, which is normal
for
chrome cylinders.
Yeah.
Correct.
Awesome.
Yeah, no scoring, so that found we're on 3 of 9, so we're going to keep going around the circle.
That's oil laying down on the bottom.
Yep.
Because it's a horizontal cylinder.
Right, yeah, and probably expect to see maybe a little bit more oil as we get down towards the bottom.
Yeah, probably so, you may see, especially on the valve areas.
Right.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so far so good. I haven't found any issues.
Okay, we're going to leave him alone because he's doing real work.
Yep.
Okay,
guys.
back again. Okay, man.
Have a good one.
Be good. Let's see what Dylan's up to. Okay, Dylan, I'm gonna shoot you around here. Whoop. What do you got going on? Okay, these are the wing panel closeouts for the under the spars, under the steel spars. Yeah. So what you got going on, man?
Trying to get the corrosion out of this.
How's it going? It doesn't
Working on getting the corrosion.
It's not looking too good.
Well, there's some minor spots here, but this is actually.
Yeah, no, this would have been where the steel spar was just sitting on it.
Right.
So he's
you
got
see some surface corrosion here.
Zoom in there. So he's got surface corrosion. How's it look on the other side?
Well, the other side it turned into some exfoliation corrosion.
Yeah. So this part is scrap.
Yes.
We'll just scrap it. You can see this is a bit where a big doubler was. Then we've got where the different fasteners and all that. There's just some corrosion from that. Not too bad, but that basically, you can't really see it too bad. I'll try to get a close-up picture. But actually, we picked up a little piece there. It's coming apart like a saltine cracker. So that goes in the trash. This other one, jury's still out. He's still prepping that, so. Okay, man. Don't scrap any more parts.
Okay.
or please do.
What are you going to do?
So we are riveting these handles on. There'll be 4 of them in total, 2 on each side.
Awesome.
And we cut them all out, fitted them all about 2 weeks ago, and so now we're just gonna put them on.
Excellent.
Yeah.
There we go. So now you're set, and you see how right now the drill's kind of like, or the hammer's kind of like, yeah, that's pretty good there. And are you ready? Ready? Okay. Keep going.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Well, I'm working on a flat motor. I forgot what this is called. Universal joint, U-joint.
Okay. What did you have to do to it?
I had to drill holes in it because it's a new one. It's new stock. Here's the old one. It's a mess. So it needs to fit on here, and it needs to fit on here, which is what I've been trying to do.
Excellent.
And we're close to being done.
Great. How was the pizza?
Pizza was great.
Cool. What are you doing, Bill?
Hey, how's it going, Cindy? So what we're doing is we're throwing things all around. What we're doing is we're putting the voltage regulators on for the new alternators. Now, the original voltage regulators and reverse current relays were on a big shoebox looking thing that we showed you guys last week. So what we're doing is we made a blank here. I'm trying to think, I think Scout made these. Anyway, we've got a blank all set up, and this is all that's going to be mounted on it'll mount on the same deal on the wing root. And then what we're doing is we're making some adapter brackets so the new regulator can mount there. So it'll be nice, lightweight, and whatnot. And then on the back, it'll still have the keyholes to go mount on the Twin Beach. So this will be nice. The Plane Power does make a bracket, an adapter bracket, but it won't fit our particular installation. So anyway, that's what we're doing. This is going to be sweet. Nice
Excellent.
little, clean, lightweight, good stuff.
You just...
Alexis head.
Hey guys, what you doing?
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Well, we are soldering the cable that leads to the indicator lights up here.
Ooh.
Nav light.
Nav lights. Yes.
That's great. That's very important.
It is.
We need to have those.
And we'll check out the wiring and then install the Wheelan LED lamps.
Excellent. Okay, here we have Nesh with
Hey guys.
unboxing a light bulb.
Yeah, I'm unboxing the Wheelan light bulbs, which are going to go on our nav lights. So
Let's see what it
these
looks
are all
like.
LED lights. So that's pretty much the package.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And would you look at that?
Look at that.
The latest LED lights.
That'll be nice and bright.
Oh yeah.
We'll
That's
see
nice.
us coming.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
And this is a red 28E LED light. So yeah.
And who do we get those from?
Wheelan. They're Wheelan's. All of these things are from Wheelan Light. So
Wonderful.
yep, red and green.
Thank them very much.
Thanks, guys.
Electricity, please. Okay.
We should have tried the green first. We're doing the red first.
What are y'all doing? Look at that.
What about the other one? Can you lift up the leading edge of it a little bit?
They're both on.
Right.
They're both on and it's quite bright.
Okay.
Y'all are wonderful. That is beautiful.
All right.
Cool.
Good job, Nash.
Awesome. Thank
Way to
you.
go.
Bearing that's going to go with that. The other half is up there where this mounts to.
Oh, okay.
And then this
What is that?
slides in. Flat motor.
Yay.
Yay, it's ready to go back in. It's been overhauled and reassembled.
Good. Caitlin's going to put it back on
Yes.
Next weekend.
next week.
Next weekend.
Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so this is the wrap up for this week. Lots of stuff got done. Richard is working on the electrical solution for running the wires in. He's got a conduit pretty well rigged up, got that going. So that's going to get the wiring from the wingtip to the inner area of the wing. So that's cool. We're going to get the wiring for the light and the servo for the autopilot. Get that pretty much run, figure out how that's going to go. So the wing, this wing is getting pretty darn close to being ready to hang. Got a couple things there. Wingtip. Big thing on the wingtip is Mike and Nesh got the Wheelan lights, the Wheelan light bulbs, LED bulbs in there, and I think you got a, I think you guys got a little preview of that. It's pretty dang bright, I think. Anyway, these wingtips plan is with the conduit and all that, we can run the wire in, and that's the only thing holding these up. And then these are going on the airplane. The cover plates are going to be they're out for strip and repaint, so that's what's going on there. Looking pretty good there, so feel pretty good about that. What else? Come around the rest of the plane. Nothing much going on here. New stuff here is the grab handles up on the side of the cabin. And again, we had some folks that were frustrated that we put grab handles on it. They aren't for jumping, they're for fueling, helping fueling. And we already had our first save. So the folks putting it on, Abigail and Katrina, already have a save on one of those guys, so it worked out real well. Elevator, nothing much really going on there. We had to take a fairing off. We had a loose bonding jumper. Caitlin and Richard took care of that, so that was kind of cool there. Engine, what's going on in the engine? We got the quills off for the magneto. There's two kinds of seals or quills for the magneto. There's either leather type or the garlock tape. We bought new garlock seals for ours. That's what we thought we had. That's what the parts manual shows. However, we have the leather type, and actually, which are the better ones. And we have the old quills taken out. We have that all cleaned up. We've got parts on order. Next time you're going to see those quills go on. Once those go on, magnetos can go on and be timed. So that's great stuff. We still have to do our ignition wires and the oil filter from hell. So we're still working on that. That's what's going on there. Cabin. The pizza box is, like we said last time, the pizza box is done. So that's great. We'll work on the, we'll probably be working on the trim, or not the trim, the autopilot servo, pitch servo installation next time. We'll also be running wires up and then doing an ops check on the tail light. Richard got the tail fairing, the aft tail fairing installed on the elevator. We have the forward tail fairing on the elevator. That's right down here. We need to get some new felt on that. We'll do that next time and get that going. Handles on the left side. Again, these are for fueling, assistant fueling and all that. So these are going to be a good thing. Keep folks from falling off when they're fueling. And what else is going on? So I think that's about it. I'm probably missing a few things, but it's great. Oh yeah, another thing. We had Darren and Mike did the borescope on both engines. Both engines look internal, look great. They're chrome cylinders. The chrome looks good. There's no gouges, no streaks, no broken ring, none of that. Everything looks great. So that makes us feel good. We're going to have fresh carburetors, fresh ignition. So we should have a hopefully trouble-free first flight. So that's what's going on there. Still messing around with hoses. Bill's still working on this, getting a lot of them knocked out, and every one he knocks off is one less to do. But I think he's turning the corner on that, so that's great. That's going on. Gary's working on the push-pull controls for the cowl flaps, getting that sorted, so that's cool. Jim got a grommet in here. We got a grommet in here ready for the transponder antenna panel, and we'll probably put that up next time. In fact, we're going to have some news for you on transponder hopefully next time, so we'll have to see how it goes. This is on here. This is just for spinning the engine while we did the borescope, so that's cool. So everything's going on really good. Episode 32. This thing is rocking. You saw also the skins for the lower wing were rotted. So, bad news. Good news is we found rotted wing skins and we're going to fix it. So next time we'll show you how to make new wing skins. So that's the story there. What else? That's about it. Episode 32. Lots of stuff getting done this episode. Closer to first flight. So engine runs. So that's what's going on with the Hollywood Bomber. Go fly yourself. Have a great time. Most importantly, like, share, subscribe, and notify. That really is going to help us going. We've got the GoFundMe. Please, if you find it in your heart, please throw some bucks there. Again, I haven't painted the other side of the fuselage. You put $100 in the GoFundMe, your name's going on this airplane. That's as simple as that. So we already have a couple names on there. They're going to be going on, and I'm planning on painting those, painting the other side of the fuselage this week, and with the vinyl going on probably a week or two later. So that's what's going on there. Other than that, everything's good. Everything's cool here, and we're marching along. Hopefully we'll be putting flaps, and we'll doing a bunch of other stuff next time, but we'll follow up on that. So that's it from this end. Have a great one. Go fly yourself. Hollywood Bomber out.